Welcome to part 2 of our Zotero tutorial series. In this video, we'll talk about how to manage your Zotero library, how to add sources, and sort them into folders and collections. As you browse the internet, the library catalog, or a database, Zotero will watch for books, articles, and websites you might want to collect. You'll use the Zotero connector you installed after the last video to add what you need to your Zotero library. Here are a few tips before you get started. First, pin the Zotero connector so that it appears on your browser instead of in a list of other extensions. Second, once you've pinned it, the connector icon will always appear to the right of the address bar. The icon will change depending on the kind of source Zotero detects. Third, be sure to create a free account so that you can sync your library across devices. Next, we'll show you how to add resources to your library. When you want to add information about a book to your library, click on the book title from your results list to go to the entry. Then, click on the book icon to the right of the address bar. In the pop-up that appears below, you can choose to save the information to your library or a specific folder. One of the best features of Zotero is that you can save multiple sources from your results list at once. While on the results list page, click the folder icon to the right of the address bar. In the pop-up that appears, select the items from the list that you'd like to add to your library. Adding specific articles works the same as adding books. Choose the title from your results list and then click the journal or book icon to the right of the address bar. The best part, though, is that if a full PDF is available, Zotero will also save it in your library. Yup, you guessed it. Saving websites works the same as all the others. Look for the icon in your browser and choose a folder if you want to. Zotero will save a snapshot of the website along with the URL. Next, we'll cover how to organize all the sources you've been collecting. Zotero makes it easy to organize your sources. You can create folders for each project, a particular subject, or class. Just click the folder icon and label it. You can even create subfolders within a folder to keep things sorted. One more thing. You can add to or change any of the information collected about a source in your library. Click on a resource and navigate to the Info section in the right-hand menu. Click on any field to add information or change what Zotero has already found. Lastly, you can also create tags to further organize your resources. They are searchable, so they can gather resources from across your library that are tagged with a specific topic, search term, or figure. In our next video, we'll show you how to use Zotero to build your footnotes and bibliographies.